So the first thing to do after you've downloaded the poster grid template is to open it in Photoshop, and then you need to get a photo to put in your workspace. So go to Google Chrome. I would recommend using unsplash.com. They've got royalty-free high resolution images that you can use, and I'd recommend doing that because you might not have permission to use a photo that you just happen to Google. So for this one I'm going to choose llama because everybody loves llamas, and I'll find a picture of a llama or two. I like this one. Click on the image and then click on download free, and it's going to save that in my downloads. So I'm going to go back to Photoshop, and then I'm going to go up to File, and I'm going to place embedded. If you place linked, it's just going to create a link to your computer where it's saved rather than embedding it into the file. So placing embedded is going to be important for you to do so that you can have that in the file that you turn in. So I'll go down to my downloads and I'll find my image of the llamas right there, and I'll place it, and there it is. Now you'll notice that there is a grid placed across, so I'm going to want to make sure to resize that so that I can fit the whole image, or at least crop away part of it, but I want it to fit that particular cell for this project. So that is how you place an image in Photoshop.